Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to steam fish with soya marinade. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified on my upcoming videos. Let's begin with the main ingredient, the fish. Here I am using a flat fish. This recipe goes well with any variety of white meat fish. Let's look at the other ingredients for marination. We will need 3 teaspoons of soya sauce, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix these ingredients really well. Take the fish and apply the prepared marinade. Make sure the marinade covers the entire fish evenly. If you noticed, I did not add any salt. That is because the soya sauce already has enough salt content in it. Allow the fish to marinate for 1 hour. Line the steamer with the banana leaf or an aluminium foil. Here I have laid a banana leaf over an idli steamer plate. When the water in the steamer comes to a rolling boil, start placing the fish over the banana leaf. Cover the lid and allow the fish to steam and cook for 10 minutes. And it's cooked in no time. Remove it carefully onto a serving dish and it's ready to relish. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my signature marination. Do try and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.